Numiste. My friends, I think I should do a bit of a quirk. So, I'll be asking this, what is the most stupidest thing that you have ever thought in your entire life? I'll go first. So, you know that one Yo Mama joke that goes like, Yo Mama's so stupid. She went to McDonald's Apple Store to get the Fleetwood Mac. Well, you know how stupid I was. Excuse me for a moment. I thought Fleetwood Mac was a rapper, only to realize that it's actually a soft rock band. Now, it's your turn to answer. What is your stupid thought, Juliet out? And remember, don't hate, meditate.